Hi, I'm Radik from Sri Lanka. I'm a GP with a special interest in musculoskeletal medicine and sports medicine. I realized that musculoskeletal ultrasound is an important part when diagnosing musculoskeletal conditions, and I realized that my training in it lacked. Did a Google search and I found the SMUG website, delved into it, and I realized that it was an amazing field to get into. The cases, the conditions discussed on a weekly basis by the members, by the faculty, have really opened my eyes, and that's how I find myself here in London. I'm actually speaking from the ultrasound training here, and the faculty has been absolutely amazing. Chris and Rob are super talented, super intelligent when it comes to giving us the information which we need to take our journeys forward. There's been unimaginable amount of experience and conversations discussed between the participants. I can scan from morning to evening without an issue at all. There's so much of scanning machines around and so many opportunities. I invite anyone who wants to take their journey with musculoskeletal ultrasound to the next level to come and join the SMUG group, join the SMUG YouTube channel, the SMUG Facebook group, and really learn.